This particular shape, that might look like a plant. That's actually a mathematical graph called a Barnsley fern. And a Barnsley fern is such that each leaflet is the entire shape. Let me show you. Isn't that interesting? You can't touch that though. It doesn't exist in the physical world, but that does. It's very similar. I have this shape. That's a multibrot. That exists only in the conceptual world of mathematics. We can plot it, but you could never touch that thing because it's not physical. It's not made up of atoms. But that one is, and they look remarkably similar. This particular shape, that's part of the Mandelbrot set. It's a double spiral. You can't see that in a telescope because it's not made of atoms. It doesn't exist physically in the universe, but that one you can see it in a small telescope. Whirlpool Galaxy, not too far off from Big Dipper. So how is it that math, which is conceptual, you find these shapes, and then in nature, which is physical, you find the same kinds of shapes? Why is that? In the Christian worldview, I can make sense of why the physical universe obeys math. Because the physical universe is upheld by the mind of God, and God thinks mathematically. And that makes sense of the laws of math and their properties, because laws of math are conceptual, exist in a mind. They are universal, meaning they apply everywhere. They're invariant, meaning they don't change with time. And they're exceptionless. Laws of mathematics would have to be conceptual because God's thoughts are conceptual. That makes sense. Laws of mathematics are universal. They apply everywhere because God is omnipresent.